Hello students. In this video we will discuss one common technique to solve the complex number problems when modulus of complex number is given, and particularly when modulus of z is 1. Question is, if modulus of z is 1, z is unimodular complex number, then prove that argument of z square plus z bar is equal to half of the argument of z. Again, we have here modulus of z is equal to 1. So we consider z is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. ठीक है ना? Put this complex number here and simplify. We have argument of cos theta plus I sin theta whole square plus z conjugate is cos theta minus I sin theta. ठीक है ना? सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं इस कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर को. वी हैव cos 2 theta plus I sin 2 theta using de Moivre's theorem, okay, plus cos theta minus I sin theta. कैसे करेंगे सिंप्लीफाई? रियल पार्ट इज cos 2 theta plus cos theta. Okay, we can use CD formula. So we have 2 cos 3 theta by 2 multiplied by cos theta by 2 plus I मल्टीप्लाई बाय इनसाइड ब्रैकेट साइन 2 थीटा माइनस साइन थीटा. यहाँ पे भी हम सी डी फॉर्मूला यूज़ कर सकते हैं. सो वी हैव 2 साइन थीटा बाय 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय कॉस 3 थीटा बाय 2. ठीक है ना? सो वी हैव आर्ग्यूमेंट ऑफ 2 कॉस 3 थीटा बाय 2. कॉस 3 थीटा बाय 2 कॉमन आ जाएगा, ब्रैकेट में होगा कॉस थीटा बाय 2 प्लस I sin theta by 2. ठीक है ना? Now here we can use the property of argument. We have argument of 2 cos 3 theta by 2 plus argument of cos theta by 2 plus I sin theta by 2. Okay. Now argument of this complex number is theta by 2. Okay. Now what is argument of this complex number? This is purely real. Its argument may be 0 or pi. If this is positive, argument will be 0, and if this is negative, argument will be pi. So one of the possibilities is that argument of this complex number is half the argument of z. So this is one of the possibilities. ठीक है ना? If this is a negative real number, then argument is pi. In that case, we have here pi plus half multiplied by argument of z. ठीक है ना? तो ये एक पॉसिबिलिटी है इस कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर के आर्ग्यूमेंट की. ठीक है ना? आगे बढ़ते हैं, एक और क्वेश्चन ट्राई करते हैं. Okay, now look at this question. If modulus of z is equal to 1 and omega minus 1 over omega plus 1 is z minus 1 over z plus 1 whole square, then find the maximum value of modulus of omega plus 1. Once again, modulus of z is equal to 1. We can consider z as cos theta plus I sin theta. Put this complex number here. By simplifying, we can get complex number omega. Okay. So we have omega minus 1 over omega plus 1. This is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta minus 1 over cos theta plus I sin theta plus 1 whole square. ठीक है? Simplify this complex number. Use trigonometry as usual. जब पोलर फॉर्म इन्वॉल्व होगा तो ट्रिगोनोमेट्री डेफिनेटली इन्वॉल्व होगा. ठीक है ना? cos theta minus 1 is minus 2 sin square theta by 2. Sin theta is 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. This over 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2, and sin theta is once again 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. ठीक है? We have square of this. Now we have sin square theta by 2 over cos square theta by 2. Okay? Multiply by In numerator we have sine theta by 2 minus I cos theta by 2, and in denominator we have cos theta by 2 plus I sin theta by 2. We have square of this. ठीक है, यहाँ तक सिंप्लीफाई हुआ, आगे भी करना पड़ेगा. कैसे करेंगे? Multiply here in numerator by I, so we have I sin theta by 2 plus cos theta by 2. So we have to divide by I square. Okay, so we have here 1 upon I square. Okay, so here this ratio is 1. Okay, so we get omega minus 1 over omega plus 1. This is equal to minus tan square theta by 2. ठीक है ना? And from this we get omega is equal to cos theta, because 1 minus cos theta over 1 plus cos theta is tan square theta by 2. ये formula होता है ना, ठीक है. So here omega is cos theta. So here we have modulus of cos theta plus 1, and maximum value of this is 2 when cos theta is 1. तो यहाँ पे भी हमारा जो स्टार्ट है वो कॉमन है. मॉड्यूलस ऑफ z इज इक्वल टू 1 गिवन है, तो हमने z कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर को cos थीटा प्लस i sin थीटा ले लिया. ठीक है ना? लेट्स डू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Question is, if modulus of z is equal to 1 and argument of z minus 1 is equal to 2 pi by 3, then prove that argument of z square plus z is pi by 2 and modulus of z minus 1 is 1. Start is straightforward. Z is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. Okay. Argument of z minus 1 is given. It is 2 pi by 3. Put the z here. We have argument of complex number cos theta minus 1 plus I sin theta. ठीक है ना? इसका आर्ग्यूमेंट कैसे निकालेंगे? सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं. cos theta minus 1 is minus 2 sin square theta by 2, and sin theta is 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. This is given. This is 2 pi by 3. ठीक है ना? ये given है. From this we have now argument of minus 2 sin theta by 2 multiply by inside bracket we have sin theta by 2 minus I cos theta by 2. This is equal to 2 pi by 3. Okay. Now here we multiply by I. So we have I sin theta plus cos theta. We divide by I here. Okay. Now we use the properties of argument. We have argument of minus 2 sin theta by 2 minus argument of I plus argument of this complex number, which is theta by 2. So we have this sum is equal to 2 pi by 3. Okay. Now this is purely real number. This may be positive or negative. If this is positive, argument will be 0. So we have here minus pi by 2. Argument of I is pi by 2. So we have minus pi by 2 plus theta by 2 is equal to 2 pi by 3. This is 120 degree. This is minus 90 degree. So theta by 2 is equal to 90 plus 120, 210 degree. So theta is 420 degree. Okay. For 420 degree complex number falls in first quadrant. First quadrant में आएगा ना. 420 डिग्री के लिए क्या होगा? एक कंप्लीट रोटेशन प्लस 60 डिग्री. तो कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर falls in first quadrant. So principal argument of z is 60 degree. ठीक है? Now if we consider this to be negative, then in that case we have here pi. Argument of purely real number which is negative is pi. So we have pi minus pi by 2 plus theta by 2 is equal to this. This is pi by 2. So theta by 2 is 120 degree minus 90 degree, 30 degree. In that case also we get theta is equal to 60 degree. So in any case principal argument of this complex number is 60 degree. ठीक है ना? Then in that case, we have to prove that argument of this complex number is pi by 2. Okay, let's find this complex number. We have z is equal to cos 60 degree plus I sine 60 degree. We have z square plus z is equal to z square is cos 120 degree. I am using De Moivre's theorem, plus I sine 120 degree, plus z is cos 60 degree plus I sine 60 degree. Okay. Now cos 120 degree is minus 1 upon 2, cos 60 degree is 1 upon 2. So these two terms get cancelled out. Sine 120 degree is root 3 by 2, sine 60 degree is also root 3 by 2. So we have here complex number root 3 iota, and this is purely imaginary number which lies on positive imaginary axis. So argument of this complex number is pi by 2. Simple, ठीक है ना? Next, put z complex number here. We have cos 60 degree plus I sine 60 degree minus 1. Okay, we have modulus of this complex number. Cos 60 degree is 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2 minus 1 is minus 1 upon 2. Sine 60 degree is root 3 upon 2. So we have this complex number, and clearly modulus of this complex number is 1. तो यहाँ पे भी हमने ये टेक्निक यूज़ किया है कि जब मॉड z1 गिवन है तो आप z को cos थीटा प्लस आई साइन थीटा ले लें. हम इसको ज्योमेट्री से भी कर सकते हैं. Modulus of z is equal to 1 means z lies on circle whose radius is 1 and center is origin, and we can draw this locus argument of z minus 1 is equal to 2 pi by 3. ठीक है, like this. This is a locus of z, locus of this equation. ठीक है ना? It lies on circle whose radius is 1, center is origin. This is complex number 1, this is complex number minus 1. Now argument of z minus 1 is equal to 2 pi by 3. ठीक है, कैसे ड्रॉ करेंगे ये लोकस? लोकस ऑफ दिस इक्वेशन इज रे, जो 1 से स्टार्ट होगा पर उसमें 1 नहीं आएगा. वी कैनॉट हैव z इज इक्वल टू 1. ओके, एंड दिस आर्ग्यूमेंट इज 2 pi by 3. So we consider this ray like this. This angle is 2 pi by 3. ठीक है ना? Now we want that complex number which satisfy both these equations simultaneously. So we have this complex number as a solution जो दोनों को satisfy करेगा. ज्वाइन करते हैं इस complex number को origin से. Now this angle is 2 pi by 3, so this angle is pi by 3. Okay, this is 1, this is 1. ये क्या है? Radius है, ठीक है ना? So this is basically equilateral triangle. This angle is also pi by 3. From this we get argument of this complex number z as pi by 3, जो हम लेके आए थे 60 डिग्री. ठीक है ना? तो हम ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं इक्वेशन को, पर ये जो अप्रोच है उसमें हमें कुछ मल्टी डायमेंशनल नहीं सोचना है. स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड क्वेश्चन का स्टार्ट है कि z को आप cos थीटा प्लस आई साइन थीटा ले लें. ठीक है ना?